How to end an opportunity. Depending on the specifics of a situation, if an opportunity in your system isn't going to work out or isn't going to close, you may want to delete or archive that opportunity. There are different ways that you can do this. Part 1. Updating the opportunity status. Click into the opportunity and scroll to the bottom. Under the status dropdown, change the status appropriately. Your options will be open, won, lost, or abandoned. Click Update to confirm your changes. Part 2. Deleting an opportunity. You can delete an opportunity to completely remove them from the list entirely. You can click the red Delete button and this will completely delete the opportunity. You now know different ways to end or delete an opportunity within your system. Again, deleting the opportunity will completely remove it. Marking it as lost or abandoned will maintain that information in your system and just signify that the opportunity has ended or closed in a fashion that means it is not won or open. That's all for now.